In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the steps you have to do to remove a car from the platform. Maybe you're selling one of your cars. A car is written off, or a car is a total loss, and you want to remove it from the platform. I'm in the control center here for this demo cooperative, and I'm under Cars. Here there is a list of all physical cars that are onto the platform. Let's say that a car with license plate TMF123 has been a total loss and we want to remove it from the platform. Let's go into the car. At the top right corner you will see a bin icon. If you don't see the bin icon, it means you don't have the necessary rights to remove cars from the platform. If you would try to remove right now, the system will tell us that we can't remove this physical car with license plate TMF123 because it's still used in a car config. If we go to the car config step, we'll see which car configs are linked to this physical car. We can see that test fan is linked to this car. Let's click it and go to the car configuration. To remove a car, we need to unlink a car from the car configuration. Go to the Car tab. You can click the cross icon here to unlink this car. Let's unlink it. We want to temporarily hide this car config from the app, because right now test fan is still in the app, but there is no physical car link to it. To make it invisible in the app, you can click this icon at the top right to make him invisible. This will set the group to hidden, and the car config won't be shown anymore in the app. If we're planning on replacing our car with license plate TMF123 and still use this car config, we can leave it for now. When we receive the new car, we can link it again. If we want to get rid of this car config, we can press the bin icon. Let's go back to our physical car. We're back in the car with license plate TMF123. Now we can remove the car from the platform.